Oh, shit. Coming out. Jesus Christ.
He's throwing things! He's throwing things!
You ain't going nowhere, that's the show.
Get on the ground now!
Patty Mayo's out there on patrol.
Patty just walks around with his...
You hit the roof, you hit the door, you hit the ground. You don't want no more.
This ain't your house.
No!
This ain't your house.
All units, we got a situation on County Road 14. All units respond.
Yeah, Patty. Yo, good aim, bro.
You better stop this vehicle right
You hit the door, you hit the ground. You don't want no more.
Okay. Stop!
DPSO.
Do not resist. Do not resist.
DPSO.
Put your hands on your steering wheel! Don't move!
What's up, guys? I'm Patty Mayo. Welcome to the patrol and the hunt. Here at my Trevors, Trevor and Harvey. Today, we are about 2 blocks away from this guy, AR, that's his street name, his house. He's got a felony parole violation for, guess what? Posting a picture of himself with an AR. Fits his name.
What a smart guy.
Yeah, so he would normally say something like, oh, it was a toy gun on Instagram, whatever, except the serial number was visible. So,
Got him.
So no bueno, hey no. We're gonna pop up there, do a little knock and poppy. Time to get sloppy. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go, let's go. Reasonable speed. Reasonable speed. Reasonable speed. Reasonable speed. Reasonable speed.
Where would you think you would want me? Behind him? This one like that, or?
That's fine.
I think Harvey, hold this door. T, watch this door.
Got it.
Just get the house surrounded and hold it. Oh, there's a lot of shit out here, guys.
Like the yard?
Yeah, just hold the house down. I got a window back here that's escapable. I got a door back here with Harvey. Do you have another door over there?
No, front door open.
Okay, so
Copy.
hold this corner. Harvey, hold this corner.
Do you want me to go 4-1?
Huh?
Do you want me to go 4-1?
Harvey's on the Harvey, go this corner by this bucket truck. Raven over here.
You want me to go 4-1 so I can see the front and the side?
Yeah, but make sure you have hardcover over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna use your truck.
Yeah. Actually, why don't you swap with me and I'll do call outs.
Okay.
You hold this here.
Gotcha.
So you have front door, side door, and then that's an escapable window over there. Then, is it AR?
AR. Correct, AR. What notice number?
Residents inside this house, 409, this is the Sheriff's Office of the warrant. Come outside now with nothing in your hands. Again, this is the Sheriff's Office of the warrant. Come outside with nothing in your hands.
Hey, fuck y'all pussy ass cops! Y'all want me, y'all come get me, yo!
Okay, found him.
What?
He's on the fucking. Look out! Look out!
Hey, what's up? What's up? I'm with that shit. I'm with that
Yeah, come to
shit.
the front. He's throwing shit off the front balcony.
Come get it. Come get it. I'll chop your ass up and put you on the grill, Carl. Grill. What up?
I'm gonna back him up.
You got a chainsaw.
I got a hostage in this bitch.
You ain't got shit.
I got Chondono in this bitch.
What are you gonna do with that chainsaw, dumbass? You gonna cut your house down? It's already dilapidated. You're gonna fall through the fucking floor.
I'll chop your ass up.
Whoa.
Here, give me.
You want one of these?
T, see if you can find Harvey. See if you can find an entry on that side. Check that door. T, yeah, come that side.
Hey, why do you come back on that dilapidated porch and talk to me like a man? You bring your chainsaw if it makes you feel safe. I won't throw any more bangs at you. Come on. It's not that scary out here.
You're not gonna throw shit at me.
You throw shit at me, bro. I'm gonna throw shit back, though. You feel me? And I feel like I have better aim.
A lot of bending around in this bottom floor. I don't know what.
10-4, I still hear him at the top.
Then there's definitely someone on the bottom floor as well.
You definitely got people on the bottom floor as well? Do you have a door open that we can get through?
Go ahead, throw it, Dick.
Ah, damn, my head! Shot me 9 times, but a bitch.
He keeps popping up the front door. I'm just pushing him back.
Back door is open.
I might need to pop gas up there.
He's downstairs with a chainsaw in the back.
All right, T, come here and grab this grab this. I'm gonna go with the shotgun. I ran out on that. I'm going shotgun.
Watch out. Cleaning supplies.
Alright, hey, I'm putting the little shit down and bring the big shit out now. You better put your big boy pants on. It's about to get real.
You want me to check that?
What's that?
You want me to check that front door?
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, check the front door. Go ahead. No?
Nope.
Which one is open?
Back.
Which back one?
Back.
All right, come over this way. Have Harvey come up here and hold this, and then you and I are gonna move back there.
6-9. Come to the one side and hold this front.
Harvey died. He's at this window. He's throwing shit at me.
Okay, I'm gonna move back there. You stay here till he gets here.
He's in that corner.
He's what?
Back door's open. He's in that corner, and he's throwing shit back there.
Come here, motherfucker. Oh, come on. Harvey, come here. Hold this. Hold that. Don't shoot it. It's live. I'll hold it back. Give me that.
Watch out, he has a fan in his hand.
Bring your ass out. Come on. Harvey, hold it here.
Right there.
Huh?
There's an open window above us.
He's starting to cry. He's getting on his.
You got one on the bottom floor here?
Want me with you?
Yeah, put it down, dickhead. I need bangs up here.
Hold tight.
Give me
Hold tight.
bangs.
Hold tight.
What's your name, asshole? Flash it. Go all the way up and just push it in. Yeah. Flash it. Flash it.
Get the fuck out of here!
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Now!
On the well! All the way down! All the way down!
Okay.
Down!
Okay.
Down!
All right.
Down!
All right.
Arms out like an airplane!
All right.
Arms out like an airplane!
Fuck you.
I know.
Fuck you.
I know. Give me this one.
Ask Harvey what he sees. I've dropped my radio somewhere.
I can't right this second.
Fuck you.
Give me this one.
This is the sheriff's office of Warren. Come outside, asshole!
Roll up to your ass. Roll up to your ass. Sit right here.
You're upstairs. If I'm not mistaken, he's barricaded himself on the right side of your left.
All right, T, let's get him out of here.
Barricading. All right.
Yeah.
Push back into me and stand up. Ready? Up. Walk. You got this?
Yeah. I'm
You're
on
gonna be
with you.
alone for a
Raven,
minute.
go. Raven, go that way. You want me to hold this?
Yeah. Wait for me. Come on. Sit down. Nice and easy.
Man, fuck you.
Nice and easy. I know. Fuck me. Come on.
See this motherfucking shit?
Give me some bangs.
Where you at then?
In my back right in the container. Give me 2 bangs.
Right here, Harvey. Yeah. They're in that. I got it. Here, take him.
Yeah, well, come up the stairs there. I'm a fucking day up. Hold on. Here, hold that. Get ready to flash. I'll tell you when. Don't move! Put your ankles over one another right now! Bring your ankles up to your butt! Ankles up to your butt, don't move! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back right now!
All right.
Don't move!
I ain't moving.
Give me cuffs! Give me cuffs!
I have no cuffs.
I have cuffs right here.
Right here.
No, man.
Keep looking forward!
All right. Chill. Dog, I ain't doing shit, man. Just chill.
Give me this. Give me this.
Code 4.
What I do? Can you tell
There's
me
the
what I did?
house.
Can you tell me what I did?
On your hip.
I ain't do shit.
Up to your
That's
ass.
my phone. That's my phone right there. I need to call my girl, yo.
Stand up.
I need to gotta get
Yeah,
my
great.
phone.
Stand up.
I.
Stand up.
I'm trying, man.
Push back into me and stand up.
You gotta show me how to do this shit, man.
Not your first time.
That's my phone.
Yeah, great.
I gotta get my chainsaw up in the I need my chainsaw for it. That's how I make money, man. I cut trees. I actually be doing shit. I just cut
up.
trees. Like I cut
You're
trees.
gonna warrant for your
I
arrest.
just want to cut grass.
Hey, dumbass. Next time, don't post pictures of yourself with fucking firearms.
T, you got him?
Yeah, I got it. Let's go.
Hey, say
Harvey,
cheeks. My arm.
come get him. Yeah, I know it sucks, huh? Quit kicking around. Take him. He's not been searched at all.
Bro, get me up, man. My jeans getting dirty.
You good?
Yeah, just lock that down. That's.
I got dirt in my fucking mouth.
What you got?
Here, go fucking.
No, I ain't got nothing in my mouth.
What do you got on you? Anything?
Nothing.
Condom?
Yeah, I was.
Miniature condoms, really?
Keep it with him, bro. He's gonna need that protection when he goes
Yeah,
to.
stand up. Stand up.
Leather jacket.
Then it's
That's
okay.
pleather.
If it's a leather jacket,
That's
it's
pleather at best.
Yo.
I got you. What?
Come on. Over here.
Hold up.
I'm not holding up shit, bro.
Where your warrant at?
Right
Nah, where your warrant at? Y'all ain't got no fucking warrant. Y'all ain't got no fucking warrant.
I will shove and stuff you. That window might blow.
Yeah.
What? Hey! I'll tase him.
Blow my window out. And I swear,
I'll tase you, motherfucker.
all right. Say, dog.
All right,
That's
guys.
an act, right?
Yeah. That's gonna do it for this one. We got 2 assholes in custody. Thankfully, local PD came in.
Kind of kept everything cool
Kept
for
everything
us.
cool for us. I'm Patty Mayo. That's the partner, Trevor. We kick ass almost every 48 hours. We'll see you on the next one.
Whew.